The order of who gets the COVID-19 vaccine in Wisconsin is not cut and dry. Wisconsin's Vaccine Advisory Subcommittee is continuing to hash out how the rollout should work. Katie Crowther gives us a closer look at what they talked about today.
So far here in Milwaukee and across the country, the vaccine rollout has been slower than promised as healthcare workers and nursing home staff and residents continue to get vaccinated in the first phase. But leaders must now decide the exact order of who gets the shots next. A question that has no easy answers. Wisconsin's Vaccine Advisory Subcommittee grappled with the decision Friday of where people serving time in prison should fit in our state's vaccine rollout.
I don't want to wait until there is a public health crisis, and it will be, to say, oh, yeah, we should have included them.
I have concerns around what the acceptability for incarcerated people will be. I have received many offline comments.
This comes as Wisconsin corrections officials confirm 2 additional inmates have died from coronavirus in our state's prison system, bringing the total number of prisoner deaths to 25. More than half of the state's roughly 20,000 prisoners have been infected with COVID-19.
It's very, very high risk.
Meanwhile, we have people who are in their 60s with hypertension and diabetes who are waiting. That's a problem.
The subcommittee ultimately agreed to recommend those who are currently incarcerated be in the 3rd phase of vaccinations, along with adults over 65, people 16 and older with medical conditions, and other essential workers. They're recommending the 2nd phase be dedicated to frontline essential workers like first responders, teachers, and correction workers, along with anyone over the age of 70. John Beard, a spokesperson for Wisconsin's Department of Corrections, says they're following this debate very closely.
We have initiated a vaccine task force within our own emergency operations center to ensure we're fully prepared. As soon as we get the go-ahead, we're gonna start vaccinating people.
The recommendations made today by the Vaccine Advisory Subcommittee will still have to go through rounds of public comment and a discussion and final vote of the full committee before a final decision is made. Reporting in Milwaukee, Katie Crowther, TMJ4 News.